Hi, this is Andy Adams at Canadian Yachting Magazine, and with me today is Michael Range from Garmin. He's going to tell us about some fabulous new display screens that they've introduced.
My name is Michael Range. I'm with Garmin, and we're here taking a look at some of the newest stuff that's out. The 8000 series, this is the newest series that Garmin has released. These screens that you're looking at right here, these are 19-inch screens, but in this series we go from 8-inch all the way up to 17 and 19-inch screens. So this particular setup is a black box setup where you have the processor box separated from the screens themselves. So you can mount these down below in an electronics compartment underneath the console. Then you have external controls where you can actually control the screen. This is a grid. This is called the remote interface device. And you'll actually see it control going from one screen to the other simultaneously. So it's one single input to this vessel control system. And the new feature that we're releasing is a station concept. So with the station concept, if you had just a single screen, 2, 3, 4, 5 screens across at the helm station, you actually can link them all together as one unit. And so if we go to the home, which you're used to going to home with the rest of the Garmin equipment, so you can select home. Now if we select any one of these layouts, and these are all completely user definable, you can call it anything you want, Jimmy's sailing profile or whatever you want to call it. You can make your own icons and things, but if you select one, it'll actually change all of the screens that are linked together in the station. So go back and change. Let's do the fishing layout, and you'll see that it actually controls both screens simultaneously. All touch screen, 8-inch all the way up to 19 are fully touch screen. Just touch the screen. Pinch to zoom is now integrated into the system, similar to smart pads, smartphones, and things of that nature. Gives it a little bit better ease of use. And then back down to the grid system, we can actually, you'll see it scrolling, go all the way across here. Port side screen, we can hit your select. So that way, if it's it's real bad outside, it's getting real lumpy out, or you have a splash screen down on its center console, keeping everything nice and clean, you can be sitting back and then utilizing this. It can be installed anywhere on the console. Also, this works really well if you're having gloves and things on. It's nice and cold outside. You can utilize this instead of trying to touch the screen itself.
That's fantastic, and the mounting is sensational. Tell me about that.
It's actually a brand new mounting system that you're not going to see anywhere else. It actually allows you to mount it from the front traditionally, or as you see here, this is actually mounted from the back. So it's a true flush mount, so it's one continuous piece there. It's really, really nice. One continuous plane, I should say. And those are just giving you a couple of different options just to further customize what the helm is going to look like for you.
Well, that's wonderful. Thanks so much for telling us about this.
Thanks for your time.